my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Now, this is another healthcare data entry non-phone work from home job lead. I know not everyone wants the healthcare data entry, but I do have a lot of viewers and subscribers that do, so I wanted to get these out and share them because these positions do go fast so that you could get those applications in if you are interested, and the links to this are in the YouTube description box below this video. But I promise, for those of you who don't want healthcare data entry non-phone, I will have something coming for you very shortly. But today's job lead is from the company Elevance Health. They are hiring a data entry operator. Now, it does say national plus 50 miles away from the nearest pulse point. I don't know what a pulse point is, so I don't know if that goes outside of the United States, but it looks like they are hiring nationally within the United States. And they are basically looking for someone to be responsible for operating a data entry device to key and verify a variety of standard and complex coded or uncoded business and statistical data into their computer systems. You'll perform a daily reconciliation of customer claims. You'll request account adjustments. You'll provide superior quality outcomes by taking ownerships of the claims and making sure claims are resolved in a timely manner. You'll process a minimum of 250 to 300 claims per day and account for all claims in assigned batches. Now, they are looking for someone who can maintain an accuracy rate of 98% while doing this. They don't require any kind of a college degree, though. They're looking for a high school diploma or GED or any combination of education and experience that provides an equivalent background. They want somebody who has some knowledge of some claims operations, services, or various operations of healthcare organizations. Of course, they want somebody who has previous experience using a PC or a database system, word processing, spreadsheets. So this is Microsoft Office. They are looking for someone who has 2 years of data entry experience and customer service experience, or any combination of education and experience that would provide an equivalent background. Now, it says this is a flexible work at home position. Of course, you have to be able to do the 10 key entry. That is the number pad on the side of the keyboard. As far as pay goes, pay is always going to be dependent on experience and location. Pay is anywhere from $11.60 an hour all the way up to $25.55 an hour. Now, just working in the healthcare field myself, I feel like they are not even going to pay anywhere close to that $11.60 an hour. It's going to be more in the $15 to $25 an hour range. But please always, if you get an interview, negotiate that salary, especially if they give you an offer. They have room in their budget to go up to $25.55 an hour. All right, sharing is always caring. So if you found this video or any of my other job leads helpful, please thumbs up, like this video. That gives me direct feedback that I am being helpful. And please share with your friends and family if you know anybody that would fit these job leads. We all want to live our best, healthiest, happiest life working from home. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really, really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.